Welcome to Thai Kitchen with Rinda. As I promised you for my last video,นะคะ I'm going to share with you how to cook another one meal dish,นะคะ So today I'm going to share with you how to stir fry shrimp with the mixed vegetables ค่ะ For the ingredients for the stir fry shrimp with the mixed vegetables,นะคะ What I have here is a cooking oil, oyster sauce, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, brown sugar, and this is the potato starch นะคะ in water นะคะ and I also have 15 of the fresh frozen shrimp นะคะ I have the asparagus, sweet fresh corn นะคะ and also cauliflower and the sweet cooking onions, carrots นะคะ for the seasoning นะคะ I have the oyster sauce, this is oyster sauce นะคะ and also Thai seasoning sauce นะคะ and Thai light soy sauce ค่ะ so this recipe นะคะ is for 4 servings ค่ะand all these detailed ingredients for the stir fry shrimp with the mixed vegetable นะคะ will be listed down below ค่ะ Let me show you quickly how I slice my ginger นะคะ Of course you have to wash it first นะคะ and then after that you trim off all the dead skin off นะคะ but I'm not going to peel it นะคะ I'm going to leave the skin on นะคะ I'm going to slice it just like this ค่ะHere's the ginger นะคะ and then with the garlic you just cut the end off like that นะคะ and put it in here with the ginger นะคะ Okay, with the vegetables นะคะ let me show you how to cut the this is the sweet cooking onions นะคะ so you just chop just like this and then I put it in on the side of this bowl นะคะ and then the cauliflowers put on this side นะ and with the carrots นะคะ I will use my just to make it a little bit of the beautiful so I'm just going to make peel it off like this นะคะ with my Thai peeler นะคะ then you cut it นะคะ in half here on this side and then with this just cut it with the sweet corn นะคะ you just cut it like this นะคะ and then the you just cut it like this นะคะ There you go your asparagus is cut นะคะ so this is all the vegetables that mixed vegetable that you need นะคะ Okay turn on medium high heat นะคะ on your stove and place the wok here let the wok heat up a little bit นะคะ and then you can add your cooking oil นะคะ Okay let the cooking oil heat up a little bit then you add the garlic นะคะ and ginger we will cook until the garlic turn a little bit yellow นะคะ It's probably about the half a minute นะคะ When the garlic turn a little bit yellow so you add your shrimp นะคะ So I'm going to cook the shrimp probably about 1 minute นะคะ Yeah, 1 minute or until the shrimp turn a little bit red like this นะคะ and then you take the shrimp out นะคะ because we don't want to overcook the shrimp นะคะ take it out and then you put it aside นะคะ and then you add the carrots นะคะ and all the vegetables นะคะ you add it at once นะคะ add the oyster sauce นะคะ I'm gonna add half first นะคะ then if I need more I'm gonna add another half later on ค่ะ brown sugar I add half brown sugar นะคะ you have to stir well and mix well นะคะ to put the medium high heat นะคะ I'm going to turn the heat up to high นะคะ and then I'm going to cover it and overcook for 2 minutes ค่ะ Okay now it's 2 minutes นะคะ then I will add the shrimp นะคะ smells so yummy I'll take the first I will add the rest of the oyster sauce นะคะ and 1 tablespoon of the Thai seasoning sauce นะคะ it's Golden Mountain Thai seasoning sauce ค่ะ you stir well นะ I'm going to try that again นะคะ a little bit of the then I'm gonna add the water with the potato starch นะคะ just only half of it นะ to make the sauce a little bit thicker so when you pour this one over the jasmine cooked jasmine rice นะคะ you will have some kind of the liquid with the rice นะคะ actually I'm going to add all of it that's it and you turn the heat off นะคะ it's still on a high heat นะคะ when you cook this นะคะ because you don't want first of all you don't want to overcook your shrimp secondly you don't want to overcook your vegetable นะคะ turn the heat off นะคะ then I'll taste it one more time that is perfect here you go นะคะ then you can serve it on the plate put the plate on the table or you can serve it on top of the cooked jasmine rice as the individual นะคะ so that's what we call one meal dish นะคะ and อาหารจานเดียวค่ะ so here you go here is your stir fry shrimp with the mixed vegetables ค่ะ and it's ready to be served ค่ะ If you like this one meal dish video นะคะ please click like share and subscribe down below ค่ะ You can also leave your comments down below นะคะ Thank you for watching ขอบคุณมากค่ะ and bon appetit ค่ะ